In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a distorted effect on any imported image by using grunge brushes and creating a cutout from the image. First, we're going to import our image like you learned in the previous section by clicking and dragging the image on our document. Once we have the image in our document, we need to resize it by holding Shift and dragging from the corners of the image. Once we're happy with how big it is, we commit changes in the top toolbar. Next, we need to create a new layer by clicking on the Create New Layer icon in the bottom of the Layers panel. Next, we select the Brush tool from the left toolbar or by pressing B on your keyboard. In the top toolbar, you will have a drop-down containing all the brushes installed on your system. For our example, we're going to use this brush, which you will find attached to this lecture. Next, we need to make the size of the brush as big as our canvas, which is 4500 pixels. Now we move our cursor to the center of the canvas and we left click. This will paint the layer we just created with the shape of the brush. To create a cutout that follows the exact same shape as the brush, we first select the flag layer, then we right click and then click on Rasterize Layer. Next, while holding Ctrl key or Command key on Mac, click on the thumbnail of the brush layer that's just above our flag layer. This will create a selection that follows the exact path of the brush we just created. We also need to inverse this selection by going to Select and then clicking on Inverse Selection. With the selection inverted, we can now delete the excess parts of the flag which don't follow the same path as the brush. We do this by pressing Delete on the keyboard. Next, we need to clear our selection by going to Select and choosing Deselect. Then we need to hide the brush layer only to reveal the flag layer below it. We do this by clicking on the eye icon next to the layer.